So much is happening in this room right now. We just got 2,650 cases delivered yesterday, and we have to get them out and rolling because the rollout for our junior highs is already happening today. So yesterday we started and we cased upwards of 900 in a short amount of time to make sure that Parks Junior High could start the rollout they needed today. And then everything after that is getting cased to make sure Nicholas, Ladera Vista, and Beechwood also receive the same level. These cases are super special because this year as a district we purchased 11th gens for the first time, which is awesome. They're new, shiny, the whole kit and caboodle, exactly what we needed for our students to succeed. Unfortunately, they went from having a port and a headphone jack to just one port, which means that we were a little bit concerned about when it came to SBAC testing or LPAC testing or anything that the state requires us to have not only a keyboard, but also a plugged-in set of headphones. Having Bluetooth in a classroom of 30 students is just too much to handle. So we worked really closely with our manufacturer who has been providing us cases for the last 5 or 6 years now, Rugged, and they were super wonderful. We worked through the process together. These were custom made for us so that we would be able to have cases that have a keyboard and then also a pass-through port so that they could charge and still have the necessary plug-in headphones so that there's never any downtime for our students. We got in samples, we approved them right away. We got a big order in because we knew this was the way that we were going to be going. But unfortunately, something happened with the first set of keyboards and they weren't up to our manufacturer's standards. So he had them all remade to make sure everything was working wonderfully for us, but that delayed. They were supposed to come over by boat, and instead they came over by air, which is wonderful that we have the ability, but it made the deadlines tight. And then our warehouse team was incredible. They received it right on time. They got it over to the Pacific Drive MPR so that we could hop on it. And then my whole team came out. Every single one of my team members is here today to make sure that the students get what they need. It's so incredible to have such a wonderful team at the drop of a hat. I had prepped them like, hey, these will be coming in and I will need all hands on deck, and everybody has shown up with such enthusiasm. They really love being, there's so much chatter behind me. They're having a good time. They're figuring out different techniques of what's the fastest way to put the case in. So they're having a great time, and it's so nice of them to give up time out of their summer to make sure that everything goes smoothly for our students.